Now, for those of you that still have issue claiming your daily cipher code, maybe you have not activated the option yet. Just tap on N per tap 3 times, 1 2 3. So you can see that this section is already available. So let's get started. The first key is the first letter of the Morse code for today is E. So it's just a single tap. Just a single tap. You can see we have E already. Then the next one is T, which is a long tap. You see that once you have a long tap, it displays something like dash, like a line. Okay, the next one is H, which is 4 tap. We had just 4 short tap for that. So let me take it again. Then one long one. H. Alright, the next one is a short tap, E. Then the next one is a short tap, a long tap, a short tap. And the next one is a short tap. Then followed by 2 short tap and 1 long tap. And lastly, we have 2 long tap. So you can see that is how we have claimed that. So make sure that you follow the length of your tap. When it is short, it will be short. When it is long, you press for some few seconds and then you release. So that's just how to go about getting it. So the code for tonight is Ethereum. That is the second way of getting 2 million. If you use ETH, you get 1 million. If you use Ethereum, you get 2 million. So thank you very much. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. God bless you. I love you all. And for those that are liking the video, you really make me happy. So thank you very much.